Yes, now we have to subtract. So given numbers, then 7 minus 7 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1, consecutive numbers. 4 minus 1 means 2, 3, 4 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 means 4 to 5 we have to count. 4, 5. It is 2. 6 minus 8. It is less, so we have to borrow. It will decrease by 1 and it will increase by 10. 16 minus 8 means 9 to 16 we have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It is 8. It is 8. Then 6, it is less. You have to take borrow from there. It will decrease by 7. 8 will increase by 10. And from here again you take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. Then 16 minus 9, that is 7. That is 7. 9 minus 9 is 0. 7 minus 6 is 1. It is 1 crore. 1 crore 7 lakhs 82,310. 310. Now, the next one. 5 minus 8 is not possible. By minor is less. Take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. Again from here, take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 1, 1. Consecutive numbers, 1. 7 minus 0, 7. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 7. 3 is a less number, minor is less. Take power from next. It will decrease by 1 and it will decrease by 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Then 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. Again 3 minus 4. 3 is a minor, that is less. Take power from the next place. It will decrease by 1 means 7. And it will increase by 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8, it is minor, minor is less. Take power from the next place. Decrease by 1 and increase by 10. 17 minus 9 is 8. Then 6 minus 2 is 4. This is 48 crore 96 lakhs 27,197. 197. Now, here 4 minus 5. So minor is less. Take borrow from the next place. It is decreased by 1. It is increased by 10. 14 minus 5 is 9. 4 minus 1 is 3. And again here 1 minus 2, it is less. Borrow from the next. It will increase by 10. It will decrease by 1. 11 minus 2, 9. 1 minus 3, minor is less. Again take borrow from the next. It will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 is 8. 2 minus 9. So minor is less. Again take borrow from the next place. It will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 minus 8. Minor is less. Again take borrow from the next place. It will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. 5 minus 6. So again minor is less. Borrow from the next place. It will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. 15 minus 6 is 9. And this 4 as it is. 4 crore 95 lakhs 38,939. This is our answer. In the next question it is given, simplify the following. So what we have to do? First we have to add these two numbers. These two numbers we have to add. After getting the sum, in that sum we have to subtract the last number. First we have to add these two numbers. Add these two numbers. That is 8,42,839 42. And the next 9,63,427. First we have to add. This is ones place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9, 4 plus 2, 6, 8 plus 4, 12, means 2 hundreds, 1000. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 means 0, 10 thousands, 1 in lakh space. Then 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. From this sum, so we have to minus this one. So what is the third one? 7 lakhs 73,485. We have to minus this. Then 9 minus 5 is 4. This is a minor, this is lesser than the subtrahend. Then borrow from. It will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 16 minus 8, 8. 1 minus 4, minor is less. Again you take borrow from. It will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 11 minus 4, 11 minus 4 is 7. 5 minus 3, 2. 0 minus 7, minor is less. You take borrow from the next place. It will decrease by 10 and it will decrease by 10, it will increase by, it will decrease by 1 and it will decrease by 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 7 minus 7, 0 and 1. 10 lakhs 32,784, this is our answer. So in this question, first we have to add starting two numerals, and from that sum we have to subtract the third one. The next question also same. 9 lakhs 28,411. Next 92,805. Now we have to add these two. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 0, 1. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 hundreds and 1000. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 in 1000, 1 in 10,000. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is how much? 12. 12 means 2 thousands and 1 in lakhs. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 lakhs 21,216. From this we have to make this one minus. That is, so 9 lakhs 42,805 minus 6 minus 5, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 8. 2 is less, subtrahend is less. Then take borrow from the next place. It will decrease by 1. It will decrease by 10. 12 minus 8 is 4. And again 0 minus 2 is not possible. Minor is less. So you take borrow from. It will decrease by 1. It will decrease by 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 minus 2. Again you take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1. It will decrease by 10. Again from here. It will decrease by 1. It will decrease by 10. 11 minus 4, 11 minus 4, 7. And 9 minus 9, 0 and 0. 78,411. This is our answer. This is our answer. So from this log questions are given, first we have to check, so what operation is given. If plus is given, just you add first plus, and after that if minus is given, from the sum you make minus that one. You make minus that one. Now 6,427 is less than 76,427 is less than. So means, so this much is less than from this. Then what is that number is asking. So less than means whatever is less, that we have to subtract from the given number. Then you will get what is asking that number. You will get this much is less than. It means we have to make minus. Then 76,427. How much less? 6,427. This much is less. So what is that number he is asking? 7 minus 7, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 7. 70,000. If you make this much less from the number, then we will get 70,000. Then we will get 70,000. Yes, in these sums, more 1, 1, 2, 2 sums were there, so that you do as your home assignment. So in this one question, 2 questions are left. The 2 questions you do as your home assignment. In this one question is there, that is your home assignment. In previous also 1 question is there in your workbook, similar questions that you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now friends, place the given block at the right place. So at the right place here, some place values, some numerals are missing. So we have to keep correct numerals in the given blocks. So first here, 6 minus 1. My need is greater, direct to take minus, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So nothing, no problem, direct it is. Then 5 minus 2, here my need is greater and subtrahend is less. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Here my need is less, my need is less. You have to take borrow from here. From here, so we are taking borrow, so it will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. Again we are taking borrow from here, it will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. Now 11 minus what is this? 11 minus what is 8? Means you take 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 is how much? 3. That 3 you keep here. So then you will get the same answer. 11 minus 3 is 8. 11 minus 3 is 8. Now 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is how much? 5. So this is direct because my need is bigger after taking borrow from the next place. Then 5. 2 minus what? Is 5. Here the difference is greater. It's not possible. So my need is always bigger than subtrahend and difference. It means we have to take borrow from next place. Here it is 7 and it becomes 12. 12 minus what makes 12 minus what makes 5. It means 6 to 12 you have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It means 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. Here 7 is the minute and difference. Minute is here less. Minute here less. Here's difference is more. So it means we have to take borrow. It will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. 17 minus what is 8? Means 9 to 17 you have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 9. It means 9. 17 minus 9 is 8. Then 1 and 3. So 1 and 3, so it's not possible. Then you take borrow from here. So from here it will get 8. Here 11. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. It's correct. Now 8 minus 3 is 5. In this way we have to fill correct numbers. Here 5 minus 3. So this is a smaller, take borrow from. It will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. Now here 6 minus 7, it's not possible, it's not correct. Take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1 and it will increase by 10. 16 minus 7 is 9. It's correct. 5 minus what makes 0? It means 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus what makes 4? It means 5 minus 1 makes 4. 4 minus what makes 0? 4 minus 4 makes 0. 0 minus 8 is not possible. Then take borrow, it will decrease by 1 and it will increase by 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 8 minus what makes 2? 8 minus 6. 9 minus 2 is how much? 7. In this way we have to fill the correct numerals. Okay, in the given boxes. Now, what problems? In a word problem, first a factory produces 3,48,354 bulbs in a year. In the next year, it produces 3,92,048 bulbs. How many more bulbs did the factory produce in second year? This is first year, this second year. If you check these two numerals, this numeral is bigger. This numeral is bigger than this numeral. This numeral is bigger than this numeral, means second year the number of bulbs produced in second year are greater than the number of bulbs produced in first year. Then how many more bulbs he produced, he asked. It means we have to subtract number of bulbs from second year to first year. Then you will get how many bulbs, more bulbs, so they produced in second year. Then solution. First we have to take second year bulbs. Number of bulbs produced in second year. Second year, how many bulbs produced? 3,92,048. Number of bulbs produced in first year. Number of in first year. How many bulbs? 3,48,354. Then minus. Then 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 5. So here my need is just take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. Again from here, it will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. Then take borrow from here. It will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 11 minus 8 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. And this is 0, no need to take. 43,694 bulbs. More bulbs produced in second year. Therefore, number of more bulbs produced in second year in 43,694. This many more bulbs produced in second year. Okay. So in this form you have to find number of bulbs. Now, next problem. The population of a town is 72,84,573. Out of these, 31,453 are female. How many males and children were there? Say the total population, who were there? Males, females and males. So this is called total population. So number of males and female and children. So these three comes under total population. Total population means these three includes. So in that female population is given. How much? 31,453. This is the female population. So then in this total population, so this many female were there. So then how many male and children were there? So it means in total population we have to subtract this female population. Then you will get male and children. How many male and children were there? So then you will get. So it means first we have to take total population. In the total population we have to subtract female population. Then you will get male and children. Then total population. Total population of the town. Of a town is equal to 72,84,573. female population 31 lakhs 453 31 lakhs 453. So then male and children population. So then first 3 minus 3 0, 7 minus 5 2, 5 minus 4 1, 4 minus 0 4, 8 minus 0 8, 2 minus 1 1, 7 minus 3 4. 41 lakhs 84,120. So therefore male and children population. Male and children population 41 lakhs 84,120. In this way we have to do our word problems. More 2 word problems are there, so that is for your home assignment. Okay.